Hi guys, welcome back to Deluxe Creativity channel. Today I have for you a huge collective haul video. I asked on Instagram what you would love to see, either a makeup video or a haul video, and majority, like 80% of people, voted for haul video. So you are in for a huge one, a collective haul basically. So yeah, first thing I will tell you about is these shades I got from Stradivarius. Honestly, I can't remember the price, but it was inexpensive, like 3k 4k, I can't remember. I think it looks really nice. So, and I'm sure a lot of outlets on other places should have this brand, this type, this shape of glasses. So yeah, it's this bag. Yeah, it's just a really cute, I don't know how else to describe it. It's red, the pattern, the detailing, like every other person would say, is really cute. It reminds me of the Gucci bags that are trending now. And I really was attracted to this bag because of this little scarfish bow. Like, it's just an open with actually there's a small zip inside. That's just it, honestly. Yeah, and I've used it, so I've taken out the price. I can't remember how much, but it was not expensive at all. Yeah, and then the next thing I'm going to be sharing is from Fashionnova. I've not really ordered from Fashionnova before, but yeah, I had to try it just in case I can find, you know, as a thick girl, it's very difficult to find jeans that really fit perfectly, so I had to try it. I got this one with some cut out and the very, very long trousers. I think I'm going to cut it myself. It was in this size. I got it from the plus size section, so it was 1x. I got the 1x, and it's really stretchy, so if you're thick, I would advise you to go for stretchy jeans and high-waisted jeans, because this is really high-waisted. Yeah, and I honestly, the price tag is in here, so I don't know how much it was, but it should be around $20 to $30. Fashionnova, and it's just a striped, I don't know if it's like navy blue striped trousers, and it's really, really nice. When I tried it, it's high-waisted, well, and it's just really nice for spring, to pair with like yellow, orange, red top. Is going to be very, very nice. But the next item I got was from Prettylittlething, and I was just looking for like really free tops or really nice dressy tops. It's a silk top, and it doesn't have buttons, but it has a belt. This belt, so like you wear it and then you put this belt on, and this belt you have to wear it from your head like this. But yeah, I still love it. And the price, once again, I'll probably include it in the description box, like the links to all these things if it's still available. And I got it in the size UK 14. I tried to get like nice sweaters as well, because as of January, February, it was still snowing in Hungary, everything. So I got this very long one, and I'm really feeling yellow or mustard color. So yeah, I got this one from Prettylittlething as well. Actually, the person that made me get this was Liz Live. You know Liz is Live on YouTube. You should check her out. She's really cool, and she has like almost my body type. Very long, so it's not something that you have to wear with jeans. It's something that you probably wear with pants and like a thigh-high boot or a normal boot. So, and once again, I don't know the price, and I got it in size large because down there is really, you know, big. Alright, the next item I picked up, I actually already have the black of this cropped. It's a cropped jumper with very exaggerated sleeves. If you check my Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. If you check it, you see that I already have the black of this, and I really loved it, so I got it in the mustard color. Like I said, I'm really feeling the mustard yellow color this season. I got it in the size 12. Nothing special. The next thing I got is this gray. I didn't actually know it was cropped, to be honest. It's not this mini turtleneck, I don't know how they call it, but like it's just really cute, I feel, and it's body hugging, so it's not like a free jumper. And I got it in the size 14. It would be nice to wear this with a high-waisted jeans, you know, for those of us that don't have the flattest of stomachs. And the next thing, still from Prettylittlething, is this very nice blazer dress. You know, my thick sisters, you understand, like it's very difficult because when you order a dress that is large, you know the top is probably going to be larger than what you already. Yeah, so I got this blazer dress in size 16. It's actually stretchy, which I didn't know, so probably I would have gone a size lower, but then it's still okay at least. Button thing. It's really nice. I'll style it for you guys to see. Once again, a very nice dress bodysuit, and I really love the pattern. And it doesn't have any button once again, so you probably could just use a brush if it's really exposing you. I'll probably use a pin to hold it, but yeah, you know, the lower part is black, so in case you want to wear like a white pants or something, it doesn't really show, unlike some others that have like colored lower parts. Yeah, and I got this in the size 14. This very cute jumper. I just love the mixture of the peach or pastel and the brown or nude, whatever color you choose to call it. It's one of the spring colors, so it really caught my attention. And of course, pairing it with this nude hand or nude color was really nice, and it has a cutout at the side, so it's just really cute. And it's not really turtleneck, mini turtleneck. There's no size, I think, for size 12. I'm about to open from Prettylittlething. I don't really have a gold belly there heels. It look like gold. Why is this rose gold? Anyways, this is what it looks like. You know, your toes have to be very flattering to be in these beautiful heels. These are my perfect like inches of heels. It's not so high, it's not so low. I try to go for shoes that don't really select outfits, you know, and if they do, then I mean, you just need like all those specific colors. And then the next pair of shoes I got are these black heels, and I found the perfect one on Prettylittlething, so I hopped on it immediately before it sells out. Yeah, there's really nothing special. It's just a very nice leather all black heel, but it's really cute. Like, it's just once again, it goes with anything, everything and anything. So I got this t-shirt. I got this t-shirt, and it just says, what does it say? Mojito. And I got it in size large. Oh my god, I wish I got the medium. Yeah. I got it in size large. I was going to get the white, but I was not really sure if this would turn out nice. I can style it anyhow I like, because it's just a normal black t-shirt. Then I have never really had a leather outfit before. Yeah, this patent leather. I'm not really sure if I like it, because it's really shiny. And the first video I saw it was on Chanel Boateng's video. If you know her, she's on YouTube, check her out. And she got this skirt in, I think, red. It looked attractive to me, and it did look so shiny, but I didn't know it was a shiny. But yeah, I got this, and I have to wear it because I've gotten it anyways, because returning is not even going to be as easy as ABC. Size 18. I got it from the plus size section. So if you're thick, don't worry, you can wear skirts. It's a dress. Oh my god, yeah. And it's in the color, I think, navy blue, and it's going to be very flattering to my body, I feel. And this thing is just going to hide all your curves and all your imperfections, if you get what I mean. This one, I got it in the size 16. And that's all from one more. Yeah, I love my t-shirt. I love my plain t-shirt, so I had to invest in this. Like, I just really like a plain t-shirt, so this is just a nice bodysuit. And then the next thing I picked up is this perfume. If you know me, you know I'm a perfume. I can't go shopping without buying at least one perfume from Douglas in everything. And I just picked this smallest size, 30 ml. It's the Elisa perfume in white. And oh my god, this is just a perfect balance of sweet and mature. I don't even know how to explain it. It's nice. You should, if you're looking for a good perfume or a very nice feminine perfume, this is perfect. Elisa in white. Try it out. Okay, so I picked up this scarf once again from Stradivarius. Nice spring colors, nice. Like I said, I'm really attracted to like yellow and mustard colors, and it has like pink, pop of pink here and there. And the price was just 3k. I feel like it's going to be a very nice dressy scarf for your hair, for your neck, for your bag, whatever you want to use it for. It's just really nice to have. Yeah, and I picked another one in this color, like it's like patterned red and green. It's just going to be a very nice spring, you know, piece, and the same price, like 3,000 for it. Yeah, from Stradivarius. From same Stradivarius, I picked this scarf, mini scarf, but basically they tell you what you can use it for. You can use it for your neck, and you can use like in different ways. You can use it for as a necktie or something. And it was just 2,000 for it, 1,995, 2,000 for it, basically from Stradivarius. So if you're looking for something very chic, this is it. And from Zara, I saw this blazer. You guys, like I don't really wear blazers, yeah, but I saw this blazer, and I don't really have blazers, so I'm like, why not? I love the design. I love the fact that it's not just pure black. It's a bit silky, so it's really dressy. So you don't even need to try hard. You just need to wear like a plain t-shirt inside, and you can wear this on top, and you're set with pair of jeans and heels. And it was just 16k, 15,995. So I'm just going to approximate it to 16,000 for it from Zara. Size extra large, just to be, you know, safe. And this other one from Zara, still a blazer. It's like double-breasted and it's thick. It was on sales, so it went from 30,000 for it to 5,000 for it. You can imagine, a good deal, right? And I got in size extra large. You can wear it with the white trousers, black heels, whatever you want to do, and it will come out really cute. And you can also pair it with this or one of these scarves that I said, and you look so, you know, sophisticated and chic. I also picked up this basic, you know, I love my basics, right? Bodysuit from Stradivarius. It was, how much was it? 3,000 for it, and it's just really nice because it's just something you can wear anywhere, anytime. Dress it up easily with a nice pair of heels and a nice bag, of course. So it was just 3,000 for it, and it's not something that you throw away. Even in summer, you can still wear. I also picked up this piece from Stradivarius. A very nice bodysuit. I see that polka dot is also coming into play this season, and it's just really cute because you can just wear it with jeans and go anywhere. Yeah, so I had to invest that. A lot of bodysuits I picked up, guys, so don't be offended. I just really I don't want to try so hard when it comes to dressing. And this is another one. I just love the pattern, like it's just flowery, breezy. Oh yeah, the price was, I think, 6,000 for it. 5,995, 6,000 for it, yeah. This other one's from Zara. Well, I don't really like the fact that the bottom part has the same print, because except you wear a black trousers, you are going to see this print under whatever you're going to wear, and it really disturbs me because I don't know, am I supposed to wear like black tights on top of it, or am I supposed to, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Apart from that, I really love the print. Like once I saw it, I knew I was going to have it. And it has some little shoulder pads, so it gives me that retro vibe, or those 90s vibe, if you get what I mean. Yeah, it was 10,000 for it. But yeah, I still love the print, and you know, why not splurge a little bit, right? And I picked it in the size large. The other ones were also large as well. Give me some silk shirts, please. I love this. It has its own pants, and I was going to get it, but I was advised not to because it's not necessary. You can wear it anywhere and still look like official for work, or dressy or chic. You can go out with it at night time, for lunch, whatever you want. And it was 9,000 for it. It's a good investment if you ask me. It's really nice. I love the print. I love the bronze color. Then this other one I saw it first on, if you know this girl on Instagram, she's called Sammy Joe Valentine. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, I'm sorry, but she's on Instagram. She stays in France. She's a French blogger, and I just really love her style, and I saw it on her first. Oh sorry, it's 6,995, 7,000 for it. I picked it up with the pants as well. Zara pants I bit too long, so I'm very skeptical about buying Zara pants, palazzo pants or wide leg pants. I love it. I love the color. I'm into mustard, yellow, browns, all those shades. I don't know why. One last thing is this bag. I think it's the color. I don't know, but I just wanted a very nice backpack that doesn't have all those clips. You know, the first ever backpack I bought had like a clip. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Magnetic clip, or you have to press it inside for it. Those things stress me out. I feel like whenever I put like a lot of things inside my bag, it wouldn't be able to clip, so I have to struggle to clip it. Or if the things inside are so much, it can just open anywhere, the park or in the airport, wherever you are, it can just open, and you have to, it's just really embarrassing. So I just needed something to ease up my life. I feel it will still go with anything regardless of it being blue. And I love the fact that it has zip. That's all. Like the fact that it has, I saw a white one and I was going to get that, but just because it had the clip thing, I refused to get it. It's just really nice, really cute, and it's in size medium. I don't even think there's any large or small, and it was 10,000 foreign, guys. It's from Zara, if I didn't say that earlier, and it's going to last me forever. So yeah, last final things I got are eyeshadow palettes. And I don't really buy eyeshadows palette like that. I mean, I just buy something that probably has all the colors that I need. Also try to make sure that they're pigmented, because the first palette I ever bought was from NYX, I think, or BH Cosmetics, and I did not really like it because they were not pigmented. So I invested in Sleek, but then Sleek is nice, it's affordable, it's extremely pigmented. I've been hearing so much of Juvia's Place. Every makeup person should know Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Had to look forward to get it. I tried ordering it before from Beauty Bay, but then they took my money and everything, and I waited for like 2 months and still my package wasn't here. So I had to like complain. So I refused to order from them again. So I got this from their website, Juvia's Place website, and it was a bit cheaper than Beauty Bay. I got the Saharan by Juvia's, and it has really nice colors. God, I have not swatched them, but I probably would do like some makeup looks with all these things here. I got the Saharan, I got the Saharan 2 as well. They have really beautiful colors, if you can see. They have like matte shadows and they have like shimmery shadows, so you can just use one palette to do your makeup look, different types of looks as well. And I also got the Masquerade Mini. They have, to be honest, they kind of have like similar colors. I don't know why I even picked up all of this. They have like similar colors, but. And I got the Nubian 2 palette as well. Very cute. And this Morocco is going to be my best friend. Egypt, they have really nice this thing. I think this is one of the best eyeshadow palettes I have used. I think Morphe is also good, but like I said, I don't really buy eyeshadow palettes like that. I just need one that I can use like for years, and the last time I bought eyeshadow palette was like 3-4 years ago, so I'm really cool. This will last me a long time. Yeah, I hope I've been able to show you a few of the items I picked out this Christmas till now, yeah. And I will try to do a lookbook or style them and for your viewing pleasure. And please follow me on Instagram. A lot of all these pieces will be showcased there. Every detail you need will be in the description bar. I'll try to include the links to some of the pieces here so you can, you know, easily purchase them. Please subscribe and let me know what you want to see, and also share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.